It's so fun when you post just a simple life hack and it really takes off on Pinterest. I'm Alicia Denise, and I am a lifestyle blogger and an author. I really leaned into Pinterest pretty heavily in 2014. I kind of feel like it was the perfect mood board for everything that I wanted to aspire to be in my life. So I just would find myself pinning for hours and hours. I've used it for almost all of my apartments that I've had in my 20s. I didn't have a ton of money to spend on home decor. So having these really cool ideas and having a platform where you can see all of these budget-friendly, attainable ways to spruce up your home, it really made a difference, and it really elevated the quality of my life.
I'm Lacey Armstrong, and I just recently moved into my first apartment in Los Angeles without any roommates. There's just an unlimited amount of things that I can do in this apartment. One thing that I love about Pinterest is that I can make a bunch of different boards, essentially collages. I look at it for other people's pins that have maybe tried something that they've seen on Pinterest, like a do-it-yourself, and I can see how they went about the process. That way, if I want to try it, I know exactly how to do it without making any mistakes.
Okay, so I know you just moved into this space and this is your very first apartment without roommates. How excited are you?
I am beyond excited. I cannot wait to just transform this space into my home.
Let's go ahead and get started. Today, we are going to do a really easy DIY to spruce up your bookcase. We're gonna use some peel and stick wallpaper to add to the back of your bookcase to give it a little flair and personality. What I love about peel and stick wallpaper is that it's a super affordable solution to spruce up your home. We're gonna pull this down together and then we're gonna smooth it out as we go. Go ahead and continue this process and make sure that any bubbles are smoothed out.
You're right, this is super easy.
It's definitely one of my favorite DIY hacks you can do in the home. Okay, so now that we have this really fun wallpaper backing, we are gonna go ahead and add some magnetic lights to give this bookcase some instant ambiance. And this also comes in different colors as well. So if you wanna set the vibe, if you wanna set the mood to something different, you can absolutely do that. Now, here comes the fun part. We're gonna go ahead and decorate the bookcase and style it and give it a little bit more personality.
I am so excited to see how this is gonna turn out.
I found some really great pieces around your home, and we also have a few new items to add to the mix to just give it a whole new vibe and some pizzazz.
I feel like this is a really cool piece.
Love it.
We do have the turquoise going on, so maybe I can find something that's also blue.
So cute, you're a pro.
Thank you, I'm really satisfied with this shelf.
Final step.
It looks absolutely perfect.
Love the way that this came out, and we definitely have to pin it on Pinterest.
Let's do it. So cute.
Done.
Amazing. I think we are going to inspire so many people.
Absolutely.